Hi students, let us continue problems. Here the next problem is in triangle ABC. Next one, eighth one. In triangle ABC. నాన్న వీడియో క్లారిటీగా వస్తుందో లేదో ఒకసారి కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో తెలియజేయండి నాన్న. R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equals to. Here to find the value of R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. Now clearly we have to observe in that one. So in that one R1 means delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, R2 means, and delta by S minus B into delta by S minus C, delta by S minus C into delta by S minus A. Now here we take common delta square. So in that remaining values we have to take in the denominator LCM is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here we have to observe in that first term S minus C, S minus B is there. Now the remaining term is S minus C into 1. That is S minus C. In that S minus A. In the third term, in the denominator S minus C, S minus A is there. So here remaining value is S minus B. So here it can simplify that delta square into 3S. We take common minus, that is A plus B plus C whole by S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here we have to observe in that 3S minus 2S by S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So clearly we have to observe in that one, this is S. So delta square into S by here S minus A into S minus B into S minus B. Now delta equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We have to square delta square. We take S to left side, delta square by S. Now S minus A, S minus B, S minus C can be written as delta square by S. Now here delta square will be cancelled. S can be taken to in the numerator. S into S is S square. This is our solution for this problem. Similarly, in 9th one, in triangle ABC, given three conditions, S minus A by delta equal to 1 by 8, S minus B by delta equal to 1 by 12, S minus C by delta equal to 1 by 24. So here find the value of B. Then the value of B is. So here we have to observe S minus A by delta. So clearly we have to observe delta by S minus C is equals to R1. Now this is reciprocal is there. S minus A by delta can be written as 1 by R1. So 1 by R1 equal to 1 by 8. Similarly 1 by R2 equal to 1 by 12. In that 1 by R3 equal to 1 by 24. Now here we have to observe in that 1 by R equals to. That formula is already discussed. 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here 1 by R1 means 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, 24. We have to take LCM is 24. So 8 into 3, 3 1 is 3. 12 2 is 24, 2 1 is 2. So 24, 1 is 24, 1 into 1, 1. So this is 6 by 24. That means 1 by 4. Now clearly 1 by R equals 1 by 4. R equals to 4. R equals to 4. Now we have to take one more result, that is b square equal to, already discussed, b square equal to r2 minus r into r1 plus r3. R2 minus r equals to into r1 plus r3. Now using that formula, here r2 means 1 by r1 equal to 1 by 8. R1 means 8 minus, sorry, r2. R2 is 12. R is 4 into r1. R1 is 1 by r1 equal to 1 by 8. In that r1 equal to 8 plus r3 is 24. So in that we have to observe this is 32. So 8 into 32. So this is 256. Now in that b square equal to 256, which implies b equal to square root of 256. That value is 16. So 16 into 16 can be written as 256. Now here the value of b equals to 16. Similarly, using to find a square also, here a square formula is in that r1 minus r into r2 plus r3. So here a square means r1 means 8 minus r is 4 into 12 plus 24. So here we have to observe clearly 8 minus 4, 4 into, this is 36. So here this is a square. Now a equals to square root 4 means 2, square root 36 means 6. So 2 6 is 12. So a equal to 12. Similarly, c square also found using the same formula. C square means r3 minus r into r1 plus r2. In that r3 minus r, 24 minus 8, 16 into r1 plus r2. Sorry, 24 minus 4, 20. This is 20. 24 minus 4, 20. So R3 is 24, R is 4. 24 minus 4 is 20 into R1 plus R2. 8 plus 12, that is also 20. So C square equal to 20 into 20, now 20 square, which implies C equals to 20. So here using A square equal to R1 minus R into R2 plus R3, B square equal to R2 minus R into R1 plus R3, C square equal to R3 minus R into R1 plus R2. These are the formulas to find A, B, C using 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. So this is the solution for this question. సో ఎలానే ఏ సమ్ ఇచ్చినా సరే మనకు R1 R2 R3 ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఏబిసిలు కనుక్కోవచ్చు. ఏబిసిలు ఇస్తే R1 R2 R2 కనుక్కోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, in triangle ABC R1 equal to 2R2 equal to 3R3. Here given R1 equal to 2R3 equal to 3R3. Now find the value of, then the value of A by B equals to A by B plus B by C plus C by A. Here to find the value of A by B plus B by C plus C by A. So clearly we have to observe in that one R1 equal to 2R2 equal to R3. Now given condition is R1 equal to 2R2 equal to 3R3. Now here we write R1 means delta by S minus A. This is 2 delta by S minus B. This is 3 delta by S minus C. Now these three are equals to some delta by K. These three are equals to some delta by K. Consider these three values will be equal to some delta by K. Here Comparing 4 terms, in that delta can be cancelled. Now we write here 1 by s minus a equals to 2 by s minus b equals to 3 by s minus c equal to 1 by k. So from that one, we have to write s minus a equal to k, s minus b equals to 2k, s minus c equal to 3k. So s minus a equal to k, s minus b equal to k, s minus c equal to 3k. Now adding these three terms, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. That is 3s. We have to take common minus. That is a plus b plus c equal to k plus 2k plus 3k. That is 6k. From that one, this is 2s. 3s minus 2s is s. So s equal to 6k. Now here we take the values a, b, c in terms of case. Here to find the values of a, b, c in terms of case. Already known s minus a equal to k. Now from that one we have to write a equal to s minus k. Already found s value is 6k. So 6k minus k equals to 5k. 6k minus k equal to 5k. Similarly, to find b value also, b equal to s minus 2k. So 6k minus 2k, that is 4k. So similarly, c value s minus 3k, that is 6k minus 3k equals to 3k. So here to find the values a, b, c in terms of case. Now here using these values to find a by b, b by c, c by a. So our value is a by b plus b by c plus c by a. Now already these values found in terms of case. A by b means 5k by 4k plus b means 4k by 3k, c value 3k. Similarly, c value is 3k, a value is 5k. So in that case will be cancelled. So here the LCM of 4, 3, 5. 3, 4 is 12, 12, 5 is 60. Now 4, 15 is 60. 15 into 5, 75. 3, 20 is 60. 20 into 4, 80. 5, 12 is 60. 12 into 3, 36. Now the total value is 80 plus 36, 116 plus 75. So that is 191. So 191 by 60. This is our solution for this problem. So here given one condition R1 equal to R2 equal to 3R3. Now from that one to substitute R1, R2, R3 values that are delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, delta by S minus C. These three ratios will be equal to the sum quantity that is equal to delta by K. Let us consider that quantity equals to these three values. From that one, delta will be cancelled. The remaining values are 1 by S minus A equal, 2 by S minus B equal, 3 by S minus C equal, 1 by K. From that one, we have to find S minus A equal to. We have to take cross multiplication. S minus A into 1. S minus A equals to 1 into K. Now we have to take these two terms. From we get s minus b equal to k. Similarly, we have to take these two terms. First we have to take these two. Next we have to take these two. Next finally we have to take 3 by s minus equal to 1 by k. From that one, s minus a equal to k, s minus b equal to k, s minus c equal to 3k. Adding all terms, then we get the value of s equal to 6k. Now here s is in terms of k. From these conditions, using s value to find small a, small b, small c in terms of case. So a equal to s minus k. Because of s minus a equal to k, we have to take k to left side. A can be taken to right side. Now we can write a equal to s minus k. Now we can simplify that a equal to 5k. Similarly, b equal to 4k, c equal to 3k. Now our final value is a by b plus b by c plus c by a. Now here substitute the values in terms of k, and k's are cancelled in both numerator and denominator in all three terms, and simplify that. The value of this one equals to 191 by 60. This is the solution for this question. Next question. In triangle ABC, given R3 equals to R1 plus R2 plus R. R1 plus R2 plus R. So find the value of angle A plus angle B. Here to find sum of these two angles. So clearly we have to observe in that one given condition. R3 equal to R1 plus R2 plus R. Now here we write R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 equal to 0. R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 equal to 0. Now clearly which is equals to 4R cos C. This can be equals to 4R cos C. Here that value equals to 0. From that one cos C equal to 0 which is equals to cos 90. Then C equals to 90 degrees. Now the angle C equals 90 degrees, but in a triangle ABC, sum of three angles equals 180. Now here A plus B plus C equal to 180. In that to find A plus B, here 180 minus C. Already 180 minus already found the value C. We substitute in that one. So this is 90 degrees. So sum of the angles A and B are 90 degrees. This is the solution using this formula, this result. R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 equal to 0. For suppose R plus R2 plus R3 minus R2, that is 4R cos B. Suppose R plus R2 plus R3 minus R1, then we can take 4R cos A. So these values will be equal to 0. Then to find A, B, C angles. Note down these problems. ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను నన్ను ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి అన్న Now the next problem is in triangle ABC, R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 6. R3 equal to 6. Then the value A equals to dash. So here also using one condition, that is we know that first we find R value. 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. From in that one 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Now the LCM is 6. So this is 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is 6 by 6 equal to 1. From that condition R equals to 1. Now here using one more result, delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3. Now here in that we have to observe 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. That is 36. So delta equal to 6. Delta equal to 6. Now here to find a square. So here దీని అవసరం మనకు లేదు అన్న డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది a square equals to r1 minus r into r1 minus r into r2 plus r3. Already all four values are there. R1 means 2, r is 1. So 2 minus 1 into 3 plus 6. R2 plus r3 is 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 9. 9 into 1 9. Therefore a square equal to 9. From that one a equals to 3. Similarly to find b also. B square equals to r2 minus r into r1 plus r3. From that one r2 value is 2. So 3. So 3 minus 1 into r2 plus r3. 2 plus 6. So here this is 2 into 2 plus 6 8. 8 to the 16. So from that one b equals to 4. Similarly to find c square also. R3 minus r into r1 plus r2. So r3 value 6 minus 1 into r1 plus r2 2 plus 3. So this is 5 into 5. That is 25. Therefore c value is 5. So similarly here to find BC also. So using ABC to find S value also. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. From that one A plus B plus C. So A value is 3, B value is 4, C value is 5 by 2. So 3 plus 4. 6. So this is S. So here we get S, perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter means 2S. So 2S equal to 2 into 6. That value is 12. So ఇలా మనం ఏది ఇచ్చినా సరే మనకు ఒకటి ఇస్తే ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ తెలిస్తే ఈజీగా మనం చేయగలుగుతామమ్మా. నోట్ చేసుకోండి. మనకి ఏ ఒకటి అడిగారు. సో ఇలానే బి చేయొచ్చు, సి కూడా చేయొచ్చు, అలాగే సెమీ పెరిమీటర్ కనుక్కోవచ్చు, పెరిమీటర్ కూడా కనుక్కోవచ్చు. డెల్టా అడిగితే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆ ఫార్ములా కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇలా మనం ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ లో ఆల్ మోడల్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆల్ కవర్ చేసాం నాన్న. మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. సో ఈ రోజుతో ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫినిష్ అయింది. ఇంక ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఇంక రిమైనింగ్ ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్ సమ్స్ కూడా చెప్పుకున్నాం. రేపు కొత్త చాప్టర్ తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. ఓకేనా? టాటా, బై బై, విష్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.